Alright, this is called Fireworks. Met on my front porch on a Friday afternoon. She was selling salvation. I wasn't buying, so we just shared a smoke. She said, true love is surely a joke. And she asked me a question, said, tell me the truth. There's only two kinds of people, which one are you? There's energy takers, keepers of the flame. The ones that fall victim and the ones that you blame. From Kentucky to Memphis, to Baton Rouge, down through Opelousas, New Orleans too. Down in the quarter, she told me the truth. She said, I'm not the one for you. And I cried like a baby in the middle of the night. My tears, they flowed like the river. And my heart was so broken, I thought I would die, as it burns like the fireworks on the 4th of July. There's nothing left to lose. All the fireworks lit the faces down on Jackson Square. She was standing beside me, but she was not there. And I cried like a baby in the middle of the night. My tears, they flowed like the river. And my heart was so broken, thought I would die, 'cause it burned like the fireworks on the 4th of July. As the light faded from her face, now all I have are these pretty bottles that have slowly filled her space. They never say the coffee's bitter at the Cafe du Monde. That's where she left me, now that she's gone. Mississippi, show money.